In this video, we'll be looking at how to calculate stochastic oscillator using Excel. So stochastic oscillator, it belongs to a momentum category, and the name oscillator is because the value of this indicator, it oscillates in between 0 and 100. So let's look at this indicator on the chart and then we'll come to the calculation part. So this is the stochastic oscillator where you have two lines. This blue line you call it as fast stochastic and this red line you call it as slow stochastic. So fast stochastic, it is represented by percentile K, and slow stochastic, it is represented by percentile D. Now the formula for percentile K is current close price minus lowest low divided by highest high minus lowest low, and this whole thing is multiplied by 100. So here lowest low and highest high, this refers to the look back period that you input into the indicator. So are you talking about the past 14 days? Are you talking about past 5 days? So it depends upon that. So if you input the look back period as 5 days, it will take the lowest low of past 5 days and it will take the highest high of past 5 days. So this is the formula for percentile K, and percentile D, you take 3-day simple moving average of this percentile K. So you have these two values and those two values are plotted here. So in stochastics, you can trade based on divergences. You can trade based on crossovers and cross-unders. That means when percentile K is crossing under percentile D, that's a sell indication. And when it is crossing over like this, that is a buy indication. So you have the concept and you have the formula. Now let's go and check the Excel sheet. So this is the Excel sheet for stochastic oscillator, and close price is needed to us. So first of all, how many number of days we are looking back? So we are looking back at 5 days. So we'll need highest high of the past 5 days and lowest low of past 5 days. For that, we'll be using the formula max for finding the highest high, and we'll be using the formula min for knowing the lowest low of past 5 days. So when I press the F2 button, so within this low column, you will be getting the lowest low value, and highest high you will be getting within this column. The same for all the cells here. So at any point of time, I'll be needing highest high of the last 5 days. When here, so this gives me highest high of last 5 days, and this gives me lowest low of past 5 days. So I have highest high and I have lowest low. Now the formula for stochastic: close price minus lowest low, close price minus lowest low. So when I put my cursor here, so this is the close price, this minus lowest low divided by highest high minus lowest low, and you convert it into percentage terms. So you get your percentile K here, and when you have 3 observations of percentile K, from 4th day you will be getting the simple moving average of this. And why do we need the simple moving average? Because the formula for percentile D is 3-day simple moving average of this percentile K. And if you want to take 3-day simple moving average, you need to have 3 observations here. So after getting percentile K for 3 days, only from 4th day you will be able to calculate percentile D. So you have percentile K and you have percentile D, and you can plot it on the chart. So let's just revisit again. You want highest high and you want lowest low, and the number of days to look back is around 5 days here. So from this high column, you will be finding what is the highest high of past 5 days, and from this low column you will be finding what is the lowest low of past 5 days. Then you'll substitute that within the formula: close price minus lowest low divided by highest high minus lowest low, and after getting it for the first 3 days, from fourth day you can take the average of past 3 days percentile k value, and you will be getting percentile d here. So this is percentile k and this is percentile d, and this is the way you calculate stochastic oscillators using Excel.